kumain ng sushi kaya gagawa ako ngayon. Napakadali lang gawin ito. Una maghiwa tayong cucumber, ng carrots, at meron din tayong crab stick. Gagamit din ako ng spam, pero pwede rin kayo gumamit ng luncheon meat or maling. Meron din tayong scrambled egg, yan, hiwa-hiwain din natin yan. Para sa ating rice mixture, gagamit ako ng suka. Lalagyan ko ito ng konting patis at ganun din lalagyan din natin ng konting asukal. Halo-haloin lang natin yan hanggang matunaw ang asukal at ibuhos natin sa ating kanin. At dahil Pinay style sushi lang ito, gagamit lang ako ng regular na kanin. Kailangan din natin ng seaweeds or nori wrapper para pambalot sa ating sushi. I-spread lang ating kanin na may suka sa ating nori wrapper. Gawin lang natin itong manipis para hindi tayo mahirapan mag-roll. Ilagay na rin natin ang ating spam, ang ating gulay, ganun din ang ating itlog. Lagyan natin ng konting mayonnaise, kahit anong mayonnaise pwede na. Habang niro-roll, lagyan lang natin ng konting pressure para masiksik ang ating kanin at maging firm ang ating sushi. Ulitin lang natin ang same procedure para sa ating crab stick flavor. Meron na tayong Pinay sushi, and this is Grand Ignition. Thank you for watching.
Here's the list of ingredients you need for a sushi bake. Cooked short grain rice, mirin, sesame oil, and I have a hard time pronouncing this, furikake. I hope I pronounced that right. Next, add some cooked salmon, crab, green onions, cream cheese, and Kewpie mayo. If you can't find it, use my homemade Kewpie mayo recipe that I posted in my previous video. Layer on top of the seasoned rice and then sprinkle some more furikake. Drizzle some sriracha, more Kewpie mayo, and bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. For some crunch, I like to serve it with some roasted seaweed and some tobiko. The last time I made a salmon sushi bake, I had so many questions on what I put in it. So,
here's the secret to making perfect sushi rice. Start by washing your rice 5 times. Pour it into a pressure cooker and cook it for 18 minutes. Now, make your syrup with 1 cup of rice vinegar and 1 cup of mirin. Go ahead and pour it into your pot. Once your liquid warms up, add half a cup of sugar and 1 piece of dried kelp. Turn off your liquid, let it chill. Now that your rice is ready, take it out of the pot so it can cool down a little bit, give it a mix, and pour in your sauce. Once you've mixed it together with your sauce, cover it with plastic wrap so that it can stay warm. Now we're gonna cook our fried shrimp ebi. I get all of this stuff from the H Mart or the Asian store, and these are my favorite ingredients to make sushi with. Next, I have prepped all my ingredients for rolling: salmon, cream cheese, crab salad, cucumbers, avocado, and then it's time to get rolling. Here is a sped up version of me making 30 rolls for the party that I had last night. Well, it was more like a get together, but it turned out amazing and many people wanted the recipe. So I decided the most important thing to share about sushi is the rice, because if you don't get the rice right, then your whole sushi roll is ruined. I hope this helped, and part 2 will be up in just a sec.